Guess what time it is? It's Temptations Days official kickoff. I feel like we've been talking about this for a while, but it is here. We are so excited. I am getting ready to go on at the top of 9 a.m. Hey, Roxanne, with Pat. So super excited about that. We're going to take another look at our item of the month, the 11 by 7. So if you've kind of been on the fence or you've been checking it out, today is the day to grab it. Hey, Cheryl. I know we have sold out of a bunch of colors, but definitely excited for all of that. We have 4 brand new items in the Kitchen with David. That's right. Temptations is doing a little In the Kitchen with David takeover. So you're definitely going to want to stay tuned for that. Hey, good morning, Sarah. And Virla's here. Linda's here. Kim, I read your note that you woke up this morning and you were so excited. Then you said, I have to get a life. No, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. Just quick, got to check my, okay. All right. Okay. There's a mirror right there. So as I'm headed into the warehouse with my cup of coffee, I just put it up there. I got to tell you, that 3:30 wake up this morning, whew, it was rough. But anyway, we had a surprise party for my mom last night. I will post the video of her. I got to tell you, it was amazing. And she literally just started bawling. And then there wasn't a dry eye in the house. Then we were all just bawling. But anyway, so we were sitting around the fire pit a little late last night. And yeah, here we are. So, when you plan this thing 9 months ago, you don't know that Temptations Days is going to kick off the day after. And that you have to be up at 3:30 because you got to be up here by 8. But anyway, it was totally worth it, and it was amazing. All right, so Kristen's checking in from rainy Vegas. Yeah, I know, right? Good morning from the middle of California. Cheryl, you always make me laugh. Of course, I don't have anything on Do Not Disturb, so it is what it is. I got to get out of that light because it is crazy. I like to kind of hide in here. It's like their little sets and props area. So I'm out of everybody's way, which is nice. But who's excited for Temptations Days? So what was I just saying? 11 by 7 at 9 a.m. with Pat. A Temptations takeover of In the Kitchen with David, which is going to be so much fun. David was at the party last night. We had a blast. Wait till I have the cutest picture of him and me and my mom. Probably not proper English. Sorry about that. Hello from Rhode Island. Margaret said she can't wait. We have 4 brand new items in the Kitchen with David. Which is amazing. So excited about that. And then we roll right into our first of many hour shows during Temptations Days at 4 p.m. with Mary D. Absolutely everything is new in the show with the exception of one item, which was back in stock. And those are those great cooling racks. So you're definitely going to want to check that out. None of the items, except for the big deal, will be priced before the beginning of the show. So Lisa will probably give you a sneak peek because I'm on In the Kitchen with David really right up until the 4 o'clock. So I'll chat with her when she gets here about going through the item numbers with you guys and giving you a sneak peek of everything. Dawn's checking in from Kentucky. Kathy's here. Pamela's here. But I got to tell you, we rocked it for the first show. So much new, so much exciting stuff. 4 brand new items in the Kitchen with David. It is the kickoff of all kickoffs. And the big deal, we haven't even shown it yet, and it has been incredibly popular. So you're definitely going to want to check that out as well. That will have its first actual presentation on In the Kitchen with David, and I think it's on around 1:30, if I remember. I don't know. I'll jump back on and let you guys know. Sue's saying, love everything you have to offer, Tara. I'll be shopping. Oh, I love it. Thank you. Maria's saying she's so excited for Temptations Days. Lynn's checking in, saying good morning. Just making sure, Sarah, I can't wait to shop. Bring on the newness. There's a ton of new. How about in the slow cooker family, a duo of smaller ones. I love it. I love it. I love it. I have so much fun stuff. So many fun things up our sleeve. So we are getting ready, and it will be a full day. So hopefully you can join us and check in. We'll keep you posted. And like I said, I will have Lisa probably give you a walkthrough of all of the great items that we have in store for the 4 p.m. since they will not go live and won't be priced until the top of the show at 4 p.m. Okay, you guys. Well, enjoy your Sunday. Happy Sunday, by the way. How rude of me. I didn't even say happy Sunday. Yeah, I'll see you all throughout the day today as we get ready for Temptations Days. Good morning from Delaware. My daughter came home for the weekend and saw all my new Temptations and told me I have a problem. Virla, she just doesn't understand. Just doesn't get you, okay? It's like, she doesn't get you. Just kidding. Just kidding. Oh, there it is. Okay. I was just kind of snooping around. Over here, we have the item first up. And I think, are these the final colors? We are down to the final colors, I think. Let me look. Is this all that's left? It's possible. Like when I tell you, last looks. 3 woodland, 2 old world, 1 floral lace, and the doodles. And the doodle. Virla, that's what I said too. Yeah. It's okay. All right, you guys, adore you. I can hear Pat, so I'm going to run, and I'll see you at the top at 9 a.m. All right, bye.